Yeah, I'm the one to get it, bruh. I swear to God I'll get it, bruh. Hey, I ain't never giving up. Yeah, I never give up. I got this, man, I got it. I will not quit, I'm on it. Never rock it. Got the block lit, I'm toxic. Spitting logic, make them nauseous. Honest, can I stop this? Never cautious, drop it. I'm the hardest. Knock, knock, bitch, watch it. I'm the fucking king of rock, bitch. Poppin', spitting hot shit. I'm dropping, chronic. I think I'm motherfucking lost it.
Alright, so if you watch the last episode, you'll see that the Hilux ate itself. So I'm doing all this on the same weekend. It's the same sort of day, 2 episode job. So anyways, I'm just walking up to where the Land Rover is, and I'll get that and we'll throw the car and the trailer on and bring it back up the hill. Alright, so I made it to the property. If you guys are a watcher, like a subscriber, or you know, you watch these episodes regularly, you'll understand where this is. Literally, the caravan is there. So we're just going to take the Land Rover down now. Oh, that was a bit throaty. We're just going to take the Land Rover down and we'll go get the trailer with the Commodore on it, and we'll leave the Hilux where it is, let it cool down, and then we'll bring it up. We'll start sifting through these cars over here, and we'll see if we can find something that fits to fix that thermostat housing. So yeah, one thing I do like about the Land Rover though is that like it just crawls along, so you can literally sit back and have your beer and dispose of it thoughtfully, and you don't have to worry about the environment either, because it just goes straight in the back. So I never really liked this car, but I'm actually starting to enjoy it now, so we'll see what happens with the future of this. But anyways, let's go get the trailer and that on, and we'll go from there. Alright, so I've unhooked the Hilux and I've brought the Landy down, but just to make things worse, the jockey wheels collapsed. Oh, the joys. Honestly, I can't wait for this to be over. Alright, I'll try and find a jack and we'll get this jacked up. Alright, got it hooked up. I'm gonna try and get it up the hill, and we'll see if we can get through the gate. I'm probably gonna have to put it in 4 low because it's only a Holden, it's a 186 in this, so yeah, it'll be 4 low. I'm so sunburned, I've been out in the sun all day now, but anyways, I'll stop at the bottom of the hill, we'll put it in 4 low, we'll see how we go. Literally had to turn it off on the hill because the handbrake doesn't quite hold enough, but I mean, we got it up this far, the sheep are coming, so I've got to be quick. So anyways, let's see, we'll get this to crawl up and we'll fucking try and chase the sheep out, and we'll go from there. Alright, I made it. It chased them out, they didn't get through, so that's good. The old girl made it, but now we got to do a hill start. A hill start with the Commodore on the back. In all honesty, I'm thinking about just regoing this and just driving it now, because I mean, the Hilux, I know it's good, it's a V8 and everything, and it's got the Lexus in it and stuff, but mate, trying to get parts for that thing is brutal. So anyways, let's get in this, we'll get it up to the van. So the big girl's literally just done the hill start, and I mean, that's steep, I'm not gonna lie, and we've still got it on tow, and we're going through the paddock. Have a look at this. Like, there's all the van and that over there, but I mean, sure, it sounds like a tin shed, you know, and it's got more knocks and bangs and everything like that than, you know, scaffolding in a fucking windstorm, but I mean, she goes. It's not fast, but I mean, it's a goer. I was going to sell this, but I'm almost tempted to keep it now. This thing's almost gone flawlessly now, and I've put it through the hard yards, so yeah. Alright, let's get this Commodore off this bloody trailer. Alright, so I've got it up here, I've got it parked next to the Gets. I've got it unstrapped, but if you've paid attention, you can notice there's a strap here. So I'm going to unload this VT the right way, because you know, the thing is, AU Falcons and Holden Commodores, all the bogans love them, and they're all like, oh yeah bruh, 6 skids and fucking this shit. cars, all right? They're made poorly, they knock and bang and fuck around, and people love them. I don't know why, because the bogans are like, oh yeah, bro, they're sick. They're not sick, they're crap, all right? They really are crap, just techno junk. So I'm gonna pull this off the right way for everybody involved here. I should be keeping this in good condition, but with the day that I've had today, with the thermostat and everything like that, bugger it. This one's for you bogans, alright, that think the VTs and the AUs are all fucking cool. So here's unloading it, alright?
Nice.
Much later.
Alright, so there you go. I've already started taking parts off it. As you can see, I'm going to be wrecking this. So if anybody wants parts off this thing, let me know. I'm going to use the motor box and diff out of it. So yeah, if you want parts off it, let me know. Now, some of the smaller stuff I'm happy to post, but other than that, I really can't be bothered. So really, only if you're local, basically. But I don't know, see what happens. If you want to travel, you can. So that'll do it for this episode. Managed to get it back here, you know, after some pain and anguish and agony and all that sort of thing. So yeah, anyways, that's for a future project coming up. I've got 2 more that are coming. So yeah, stay tuned for that one. But I'm more than likely going to get back into the Dodge and everything now. So the Dodge and my Commodore while I accumulate parts for this project, and yeah, we'll just go from there and see what happens. So like I always say, I'll see you guys in the next episode.